When it comes to machine applique using a blanket stitch, you'll find that you actually have quite a few different choices. Just depends on the look that you're after. Now my favorite on the Pfaff Ambition 1.0 sewing machine is actually the pin stitch, which is stitch number 39. You will notice that it does come in all the way over to the far right needle position, but it can be enlarged both widthwise and lengthwise to really find the best width for the size of fabric and pattern you're going around. So it's just a little bit of a trial. I would recommend, just like always, sew out all your decorative stitches and then you'll know which one of these you like the best. Now, if it isn't biting the right direction for the way you like it, because there are a few stitches that go the other direction, they bite to the right instead of biting to the left, you can mirror image those stitches. So just with the touch of a button, now it will be going the opposite direction. So you can totally fine tune what you're looking for. Now I would recommend an open toe foot, a foot I can see where I'm going. So I would head over to your local Pfaff store, pick that up, because I will tell you it's a lot easier than trying to look through the little plastic part of the foot that you're working with. Now it does tell me to put foot number 1A on and lower the dual feed, but for today I'm just going to use the foot I have on, the 2A. And the goal with these stitches is that the straight stitches go along the outside edge of the applique. Use your needle down function so you can easily pivot and keep it going around, usually like something like this with a little heart. I'm going to really kind of take my time going around the pattern and taking it stitch by stitch, lifting and lowering the presser foot to help me go around that. Now the other thing is I want to land on the outside for pivoting, so I don't want to pivot when I'm on the inside. Now you can use any stitch for applique. A lot of your decorative stitches are great uses for going around stitches like this. So let me just show you what we're looking at. I actually have some variegated thread in the machine so you can see that that really looks fun. So you just need to guide it around. You can also make it narrower, wider, or longer depending on how tight you want to get to go around this curve here. So next up we're going to do a little satin stitching, and I'll show you what stitches are best to zigzag with a really thick stitch around these raw edges.